a letter from Orange to you, which introduces the packaging and the operation of the product. This is stock transfer paper. You can use this product to DIY your clothes, shoes, bags, hats, and so on. This product is suitable for inkjet printers. Cut out your design with scissors or cutting machines. This is the operating parameters of Cricut Maker 3. You can also cut your printed pattern with scissors. Better if the clothes are ironed before transfer. There are 3 transfer methods: iron, easy press, heat press machine. Each of these methods requires the use of the Teflon paper. The first is iron. Cover the pattern with Teflon paper. Transfer according to the table parameters. Second is easy press. Cover the pattern with spacer paper. Transfer according to the table parameters. The third is heat press machine. Cover the pattern with spacer paper. Transfer according to the table parameters. Washing instructions. Please read carefully. There is a description inside the product. You can scan the QR code to download our specially customized cute pattern for you. Goodbye.